Hi friends, and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's nice of you to join us today. Now friends, let's get started by singing our good morning song.
It's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning.
And a very good morning to all our wonderful friends that are watching. Now let's talk about our number of the day. Our number of the day today is the number 3. Yes, 3. Like the 3 stools behind me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, our number of the day is the number 3. Now, let's find out about our shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day today is an oval. Yes, an oval is round, but not quite. It's sort of like the egg shape. Now, let's find out about the letter of the day. Yes, let's find out about the letter of the day for today. Our letter of the day today is... Our letter for today is the letter E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for earth. E. Yes, and did you enjoy our letter of the day today? Wonderful. Now, I think it's time we find out about the weather for today.
Hey friends, let's find out about the weather for today. Let's sing our weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today?
Now, we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, so far this week it's been a little rainy, but today it's sort of cloudy. The sky is still gray, but it's cloudy. What about where you are, friends? What's the weather like where you are? That's interesting. Now, do we know what day it is today? Yes, it's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long, all day long. Yes, friends, it's Wednesday. And we are in the month of June. Can we spell Wednesday? WEDNESDAY. Wednesday. Let's sing our 7-day song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wonderful. And do you remember what month we are in? Yes, it's June. Let's spell June. 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 Let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's all sing the alphabet. Ready, friends? Let's sing the alphabet together, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you for singing with me all the letters from A to Z. Good job, friends. We did our alphabet together. Wasn't that fun? Yes. Now, let's count to the number 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10. Very good counting, everyone. Can we count backwards from 10 to 1? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Very good. Very good, friends. We counted from 1 to 10 and backwards from 10 to 1. Good job, friends. Now, let's find out about our lesson for today. Well, as you all know, Father's Day is coming up. And last time we talked about all the amazing things that we can do for Father's Day. One of them is making a wonderful breakfast. Now, with this breakfast, you will need some help from mommy or an older sister or brother because we need to cook some things. But you can also make a simple breakfast by making something that you won't need to touch the stove to do, like cereal, or you can just slice some pieces of sweet bread or anything like that for your father. Now today, we are going to take a look at how to make a Father's Day sandwich.
Okay, we're going to start by cracking our eggs. And then we can separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. Right, so then we have our egg there. We're going to add some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and of course now you're gonna just cook this. You're not scrambling it, but you're just gonna put it on the stove and just cook it flat. Okay. All right. So we have our face here. Alright, so I cooked my yolks with black pepper and salt, of course, and now I'm going to use this to make the eyes, and I'm just going to get like a little cover or cork and make the eye. Alright, so I'm just going to cut out Daddy's eyes. Let me move this aside from my egg yolk. Twist it nicely so we get two nice circles out of it. There we go. Ooh. Right. So now we're ready to put it onto the egg whites and make Daddy's little face. So there we go. Alright, so we have his eyes. And then you're going to use the stuff that you have at home, alright? Right, let's continue. So you can use whatever you have. You can use sausage, ketchup, bandana to make the little ears. So just put that there like that. Right, and to make Daddy's eyes, I'm using some raisins. You could use whatever you have. I don't have olives, so I'm using what I have. So we're gonna put some raisins here. Now, just to make the raisins a little bit big, I'm just kind of squishing it with my fingers just to make the eyes a little more, the pupils a little more profound. Now, I don't have any, whatever that green stuff is. You can use bandana. I just picked some bandana from my yard. And then you can use a slice of bread. Now what I'm doing is using the bread to make his mouth. So I'm just gonna cut my bread with the kitchen scissors here and just kind of make the mouth like that. And just kind of flatten it down. Now if you have a sliced bread, of course you could use that to make your life easy. Now we're gonna just I'm using my ketchup just to make a little nose. Right, and then just to outline his mouth. See that?
Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed our lesson or sandwich for today, and of course I will see you next time. Bye friends. Don't forget to subscribe.